Hans Wilsdorf. He is the father of this gorgeous brand. The concept and idea behind Tudor, which was founded in 1926, was to create the best possible watch for the best possible price. So the value for the timepiece you're gonna get today, it's absolutely outstanding. I think everyone must have it.
Beautiful.
You can wear it anywhere, anytime. You can dive with it. This has a 200-meter waterproof because it has a screw-down crown. The movement has been placed differently this time. The fun fact about that, they use their in-house work with the M5813. Tudor had a vertical clutch and horizontal clutch too. We have tungsten rotor inside, which gives completely different weight to the watch as well.
Oh, wow.
If you look at it, it's not that thick. It used to be 14.5 millimeter, so right now it's much more slicker, and it created this absolutely stunning 70 hours power reserve chronograph. To screw down pushers as well.
Wow.
You can run the chronograph while you're diving, just for you to know as well, since it has absolutely. So you need to unscrew that as well. It has a 28,000 beats, so let's try that.
So you would unsecure to interact.
Absolutely.
And then resecure once you dive.
Certainly. And you're gonna stop and then you can reset. Also remember that the hand's made out of the stainless steel. It's not the brass.
What's the benefit of that?
The brass is much more softer as a material. So when you use the chronograph, it actually can ruin the hands. So
Oh, wow.
they use the stainless steel, which is very new and amazing by Tudor.
Beautiful.
Absolutely. It's one of our favorite timepiece.
Yeah, I must admit, I like this black dial here as well.